Good morning, everyone. Could you hear me? Sudhir and Shelton, is my
Yeah,
voice clear?
fine. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes. Okay, let's begin the class. So, the last class we saw the essential formulas and functions for data analytics. Okay, now we're going to continue with that. We have seen three topics in the last class. So, we're going to continue with that. Before that, let me clarify some doubts of joining. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sheldon, could you hear me? So there, please watch this. I hope my screen is visible, right?
Yeah, fine, ma'am.
Yeah. Look at this. I asked you to type mczeal. Okay. So sometimes you want to join from any other laptop also. You can do this. Okay. So mczeal, and you're going inside this link. Okay, mczeal Academy. And from here, this is the page. You can see all the courses here. If you click here, you can see all the courses. That is, whatever the courses here, you can see that. And then you have a dashboard here. My dashboard will be there. For me, I'll be having a big dashboard. For you, the whatever course you have enrolled, your course will be in your dashboard. Is that clear?
Yeah, ma'am. Fine.
So the whatever the course you're enrolling, okay, that course, your course will be in your dashboard. And everything you can see here, you can go and see like what the free courses are there, what are the free courses. You can access those things, okay? So that's not a problem. We have courses here. So category wise, we have courses. So tech information, what are the courses? You can go and check, okay? Right. So this is how you can join. Since you have joined now, so if you type MC, automatically it will take you to the course page and it will take you to the website. That is your dashboard. Okay. And
Okay, ma'am.
whenever you log in, you know to create each time you know to create the account. So whenever you log in, just you can log in. You can there'll be option log in. The option will be like login. Option will be there. See, I'll show you here. So if I type mczeal here, let me go inside. You can see the screen now. So you'll see this log in button will be here, right? So just click on that. Click on that. Don't do this. You have created the account, okay? Or there is a button login, continue with Google, or like login. Use this login. Now it will ask, you want to continue with Google or like continue with email. Okay. You can give which is suitable for you, which is okay for you. Okay. Just click and then it will take you. Okay. That's
Okay.
it. You got it right? Very simple. Now, so in the course, okay. Um, okay. In the course, whenever you join, okay, let me show you. This is the course now. So whenever you click on this course, so you can see your dashboard will be like this. Okay. So what is happening? Happening soon. Happening soon means I have launched a course. That is, it's happening. It's live. Can you see? It's live. If it is not live, it will show the timing. It was going to start in 3 hours. It's going to start in 20 minutes. It will show like that. Okay. You can join the class by clicking this button directly. Okay. Then,
Oh,
can you understand how I
yeah,
came to
yeah.
this page?
Yeah, yeah.
Nothing. You go to
Fine.
your dashboard. The course is there. No, when you go to the dashboard, your course will be there. Just click on that course, and continue button will be there, and you will see this join class and the previous class. If you click on this, you will see the previous class recording. Click on view recording. You will have the class recording. And here we have posted the downloads, the files to download. This is the day one note. Day two note is there. Today I'll post day two and day three notes will be posted in a single PDF. You can get the access. So this is day one notes. You can you can click the download button here and you can download it. So whatever we teach now, every day we'll post you the notes so you can get access and you can use this notes and study. Okay. Now this is the data set. You have to download this data set. You have to work when we teach. Okay. So in the day two, day two, the class didn't happen. If you go this, the class didn't happen, and there is a link here. Okay, day two, another part is there. The Monday class happened. Okay, so you can watch the record session. There we have used Amazon data sets. You can download here. Can you see? And also I have posted another data set where you can practice with using that data set. Okay, now we are currently using Amazon data set. Okay, in that Amazon data set, we are going to see fourth function. How we can use the fourth function. You both of you have joined. Have you seen the record class at least?
Yeah.
Then it's fine. Okay, let me give you a recall. Okay, so this is our data set. Okay, so how I made this table? Just clicking on Control T, press Control T, you will get this table design. Okay, Control T. After downloading the data, just press on Control T, you will get the data. Then we have seen how to how to use the count ifs formula. So whenever you have how many times, how many times, how many products are there, kind of how many questions, you can use count ifs formula. Count means it's going to count how many times it is presented. If means condition. So you are giving some condition. Yes means multiple condition. That's it. Nothing more than that. Okay. So here we have used multiple. Uh, no, no. Okay. Here not. I think. Okay. The next category. And then we have used sum FS. Sum FS is nothing but adding. Okay, how much, whenever you hear a question, how much, the total. Okay, so you can use sum FS. And average of any value. If you want to find any average, you can just use average FS. Okay, and next we have seen uh, the particular columns, that is like the filter function. So what is filter function? We want to remove some certain columns and we want certain columns alone. For example, here we want the shipped products from Maharashtra and more than 500 rupees spent on the product. So we want only those data, not everything. We have 1,25,000 crores are there in the data. I don't want every data. I just want the product which have shipped. Okay, already shipped. Okay, and then in that shipped product, I only want the Maharashtra state, not every state, not all state. I only want Maharashtra state. And in the third condition I've given, okay, I want the order should be minimum 500. That means greater than 500, right? That the order should be greater than minimum 500 means that is it can start from 500 and goes wherever. Okay, goes till anything. So that is what we are saying. Okay, this is the filter function. Filter function is used to take certain columns, filter something. Okay, now good. Now third topic is nothing. Third topic, what we have done, choose calls, choose calls, choose calls function. Choose calls function means the word itself you can understand. Choosing columns. Okay, choosing columns. That is, in our data we have 22 columns. I don't want all the columns. I need only few columns. So how can I select the columns? Using choose calls function. Okay, so by using choose calls, you can select which column should you want you want to visible in your new sheet. You got it? So this is the work. This is the use of choose calls, right? Now we are going to see unique function. What? We are going to see unique function. Can you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. If possible, please watch the recorder session. Okay.
So today's class also we are going to practice through that Amazon data set data.
Yeah, obviously, we are going to continue with the same data. Yeah, till this topic going to end, no? I'll be using only one data because uh, using different data is not the thing. You're going to work with single data, right? So, like not like single data, you'll be working with many data. But when they are giving you data, okay, first when they are giving you data, you have to clean it, you have to do some analysis, and you have to make it in a visualization, that is creating a dashboard, no? Then only you can go to the next data. So we're slowly working on that. We are in that process only. So we are working, we are cleaning, and in that data, we are just learning how to use other tools, and then we'll be making a small dashboard in this data, and then we'll be moving on to pivot table. Pivot table will be using the visualizing tool, same data, using this data. We have created the average, and now we are doing some unique method, sorting method, no? All these things will bring it in a what? In a visualization.
Okay.
Yeah. So, okay. Now, listen here. Now we are going to see unique and sort function. What? Unique and sort function. For example, you're working in a company. So manager comes. Okay. Manager asks you to give me a list of all product categories we sell. What is the question? What is he asking? Give me the list. Where is the category? Here. Uh, categories here. He's asking, give me a list of all products. That is, he needs the product list. Product list where in category. Okay. So where we sell. Okay. We sell. This is the question he is asking. Here, if you look at here, we got the data. You have 1 lakh. What is you can see here? 1,21,000 column rows are there. You cannot see each rows and find out which. So what are the total product list, right? In the last class, I have taught you to remove duplicates. Here we got all the unique unique product we have here, right? Can you see
Mm-hmm.
Kurta, Western dress? These all are the categories. These are all the product categories we have actually. I did this using what? Remove duplicates option. You can go to the data. If you see remove duplicates, it will remove all the duplicates. This is one option. But for that, what you have to do, like you have to how did I do that? I just did like this. Okay, just copying this whole column. I went to the sheet number one. What I do? Just I paste this column. Okay, now it will show some. Okay. So I went to the new sheet. I- It is a large data, no? So it will take some time. So I did like this. First of all, I pasted like this. No, I pasted like this. Then again, I selected this column. Then ribbon. Then remove duplicates. I've given. It's asking column I. Okay. Then it has removed all the duplicate. Now I got this unique, whatever the categories I am. But we have a function for that. It will make your work even more easier. Need not to copy those things and paste it somewhere and then taking it. And it is not dynamic. Can you see that? It is not dynamic. That is, it is static. If I add any data here, okay, if I add any data, it is not going to
Not
add
going to
there.
add.
Can you
Mm-hmm.
understand?
Yeah,
See,
yeah.
we have blouse, sarees, dupatta, bottom, ethnic. Okay, so let me add.
So, which means it's not automated.
Yeah, yeah, yes, shirt here. Okay, shirt is not there. No, if I say it's no, it is not updating, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now that is why we are going to use this formula here. That is what unique formula, unique function. Okay, here we unique. Okay, just click on unique. So I have given this Amazon dataset table name as Amazon. So once I try to write, it is popping up. Amazon, are you going to write this? Okay. Now, if I open the square bracket, it's nothing but it will show all the columns which is presented in the Amazon dataset. Now, I'm going to select a category. Okay. Select a category, close the bracket. So whenever you open the bracket, close the bracket. Now, just give enter. You will see all the categories, unique categories. Okay. Now, if I go, okay, if I go here, if I want to change this, now look at here. You can see shirt here, right? You can see shirt. Now let me change this to salwar. Slowly, you can see the now the salwar is added. Everything slowly is updating. It is dynamic. This is the use of unique. So that's why like when remove duplicates differ from unique. This is where. Okay. Now you can also add whatever like if you want to add. Okay. Now let's see. I may change this to kurta itself.
Um, Ma'am,
Yeah.
one doubt. Can you please show the formula?
I'll show. I'll show. Yeah. Yes, I'll show. Mm. Can you see
Okay,
that?
here you are using the name Amazon, right? That comes from.
That comes from the table name. Okay, so we have created this table. No, here the
Mm,
table design. Click on the table design. We have named the table name as Amazon.
mhm. Where is the table design? Sorry.
Here the table. Oh, table design you can't see in your laptop.
No, under data
Yeah.
or somewhere else.
Okay. You can't see because you haven't made the table. I'll show you how to make table. Okay. Um,
Mm.
First of all, you'll be wait. What is not here? Let me go and open new data for you. Okay, it's my CSV. Okay, fine. Right. This is how you will be clicking on the data, it will open, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, slowly. You'll have data like this, right? You
Yeah, yes.
yes. To create a table, okay? To create a table, you have to click Control T. Just select. First of all, select all. Okay. So first
Mm-hmm.
select all. Then it's itself showing. It will show if at all you're using 365 thing. If it doesn't show, just click Control T.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Mm. So Control T will
Okay.
select,
Control T.
yeah, Control T will select
Select.
the yeah, entire data in the Excel, or including the empty rows and columns.
That is what I asked you to say. Control first. You give control all. See that not the entire table. Can you see?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I don't have anything here. So first give control A. It will select only the data. Then give control T.
Okay.
Now if you click on the table, you will see the table design here. Here our
Mm-hmm.
table name is table 1. So you can rename it, whatever you would like to rename.
Okay.
And
Done.
you will be having 24 columns. We have we did some corrections here. Okay. Um,
Mm.
in the previous section, we did some cleaning
So,
method.
sorry, ma'am. 24 column. How we can count manually, or is there any way?
Yeah, control shift. Okay. Right. Right. Now, can you see here 24?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, let me show you. How did I do that? Just click on the first, the index, that is like first A1 cell. Okay. Now,
Mm.
press Control Shift, and you'll be having that upside arrow, downside arrow, right side arrow, left side arrow.
Yeah, yeah,
No,
I got it. Mm-hmm.
yeah. Press on the right side arrow. Okay, just click. It will select only the data part. Now you can see 24. Okay, like that.
Mm-hmm.
If you press like that, just click on A1 cell. Same process. Control Shift, press the down arrow. Now you can see the down part. You will see what is the average. The count itself is showing. The sum itself is showing, and it will also show the count is the how many numbers, how many rows are there? 1,28,976 rows are there. It's showing. You got it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now give control A. You'll see all things. The count it's in the form of 24 into 1 lakh thing. That is, it shows each and every columns, every rows in the time, and it is showing some average and some also. Got it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yes, if possible, remove those things. That unnamed first column and the last column, it is not needed. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah. So now we are seeing unique. So we got this, right? So we got this. Now, so here we have few categories, right? Here we have few categories. So around like I think we have 9, right? See, you can see here 9. Once I select, see from this to this, once I select, you can see the counts, right? Can you see here?
Yes.
Yes, you can see the counts. But if you want to count, we have another form function. It's count function. Count if we have seen, no, like that. Count A is there. Count is nothing but, okay, it will count, like, count the unique values, okay? it will count, it will not repeat the value, it will count only the unique values. Okay, like I'm
Mhm.
going to select from here.
So,
Yes,
yeah, in the formula, if you said yes, determine the plural. So
yes,
here, the character A determine what?
the count A. We're asking count
Hmm.
A. Count A is count all, count everything.
Okay, okay, okay. Hmm.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Yep. So this is going to count everything, whatever it's in the set, that is in the column. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. Um,
Yes.
no, that formula, no, that unique formula is not appearing in my Excel. Why is that?
Because you're using low version,
Older version. Okay. Mm-hmm.
old version. You have to update.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Fine. Sorry. Right now it shows that is we have nine. We have nine products, nine list, nine categories are here. Why do we use you are why do we use count here, ma'am? Since we can count like this itself. Okay. It shows here itself. Why should I count here? One part. First, okay, the question can be like this. Even we have more like in the lakhs, you can use control shift and the down arrow, you can see the count here. Why should I use this formula? The first answer is by by making putting in the cell, okay, that is your value, you can visualize it. Okay, again you can ask a question, why should I use a formula? That's the question. Why should I use a formula? Yeah, I can directly write the thing. If I want to visualize that thing, I can directly write by selecting this. I can see 9, just you can put 9 here, right? So need not to um, type formula. Yes, no? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so why do we use this? I'll tell you. Wait, for example, we can't add because it's unique. It won't take it also because it's the formula. Okay, right. Why do we use? I'll tell you. Yep, I'll do it here. Same oh, count here. Okay, it's showing 10. Okay. Um, sorry, 1 minute. Wait. Mm. Okay. See, it's showing 10. Okay. Instead of if I have any empty rows in between, there is an empty row I've given here. Still, it's showing 10. It is not counting the empty rows. Okay. If I
Mm-hmm.
do this, okay, okay, the count, oh, no, it's there till, yeah, Okay, okay. No, it is also showing here 10 only. Okay, yeah. Mm, yes, this formula, I'm sorry, okay. So even if you do, here also it's doing nothing but the count A formulas only, it's showing nothing different. The both are same only, okay. It's not a different part, both are same. So count A and whatever we count. So what the difference means? So count A will not count the I just want to say non-empty cell. That's the thing. So if I like add one more rows or like see here we have 11 cells actually to say 11 cells we have, but it's not counting the empty cells. That's the difference. Okay, it will count everything. You got it? So if I put
Mm-hmm.
one here, it will count. It is like 11. So it has 11 cells. If I don't put one here, it won't count. Okay. And count is it will count everything. So if I put even three, sorry, not three. If I put anything like colon, it will count that also. We have one more formula that is only count. Okay, only count. That only count the numerical values. That's the difference. There is a count A, like we have count if and count if is like that. Okay, so it will
Mm-hmm.
count will do only the numerical values. That's the difference. Okay, so it shows here zero. If I use count, it shows zero. If I put one, it will show one cell as numbers. It will show like that. If I put three here,
Mm-hmm.
it shows two cell as numbers. It will count only the numerical. Count A will count all. It count everything. You remember like count all.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Okay, now we'll come back to the our data. Okay, we have counted. So how many numbers are there? Now, if I want to sort this, okay, if I want to make it in a kind of proper way, that is like A to B in a sorted version, there is a function called sort. Okay, just give sort in front of your function. Okay, where whatever function you want to sort it down, and it will sort it out. Okay, now you can see that is B is there in proper way. It is sorted in a proper way.
Proper way in the sense alphabetical order.
Yeah, alphabetic order.
Mm.
And one more thought. Okay. So if you want, it should be in descending order. Okay. So it's in ascending order, right? If you want it should be in descending, you can do that. How I'll tell you. I'll show you how to do that. Okay. It's nothing but after the comma, give two commas and give minus one. Okay. After giving two commas, give minus one. It will order it in a descending order after two commas.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, why I'm giving two commas means nothing but there is one is there. Okay, one is there. The one means ascending. Okay, one is ascending. When I give after minus one, after one, if I give minus one, it shows in descending. That's the difference. That's why I'm giving double commas, right? And
Okay.
you can
So yeah,
also
when
uh, okay, fine. Now. we have seen what is unique and sort. Okay. Now we are going to combine like filter. Okay. Filter with the unique and the sort. Like, what if like I want unique categories only for B2B orders. B2B orders. There in Amazon data set, we have B2B orders data set. Business to business, right? B2B. Where it is? Here. Okay. So response. So here we have everything is false. Let's see whether we have true. Maybe we have true somewhere, I think. Let's find it out. Okay. I just want to know. Okay, only the B2B, it's what unique B2B thing only. Okay, right? How will I let's see how I'm going to do. First I'm using the sort because come from the begin. We first what is the question? Yeah, I want B2B orders. Then you have to start from the filter. That is start means it should be inside the bracket. Then after filter, I want unique parts and then sorting. Okay, this is how we'll do. No, first what is the first important thing? Filter. No. So it should come inside. Filter. Okay, not only filter. Okay. Filter. I'm using filter function. Filter Amazon category. It's there already. Okay. Then in Amazon category, I want Amazon only B2B. Right? Only B2B. B2B should be. I want it to be true. Okay. Oh, it should be true. Then I'm closing it with three brackets. Okay, you should have the if starts from white, it should ends with white. Okay, so look at the formula. We have you first. I want to filter the Amazon category. In Amazon category, I just want to um, get only the B2B should be true. Okay, B2B should be true, and uh, and in that Amazon category, I wanted all the categories to be in unique, not everything. I want only unique. Okay, and also the I want it to be sorted out. Let's see how it's going to work. So these all are the categories are in the B2B part. First we had nine, no? So one has removed. What is that? One has been removed. You got it? So these all are in the B2B categories. You understood?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you have to watch the recorded session, then only you can understand. Is that I mean, if you watch at least the Excel day two, that is functions and formulas, the last class, you watch and this will give you a good clarity.
No, yeah, I have gone through the second day class. So we will get the values in the column B2B, whichever set it as true.
True, yes.
Okay, okay, fine. Hmm.
Here we have true here, no? Can you see the B2B true? Only I want
Mm.
the categories are in true.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Then you can also try if you want the only the you can try here. If I want only the unique Amazon states, how can I use? That is like what how many states we are giving orders. So we can use the Amazon sorry unique function to see that. So these are the states we are providing what we are giving orders. So count. If I want to count it, 47 states. Count hash means nothing but it will select till the data. That's it. Need not to drag it. Here I have dragged it. You can see here. Here I have dragged it. So dragging also there, and you can also select hash. So it will select till where the data is. That's it.
So C3 we have to give the first cell where we
First cell, yeah, first cell,
okay.
and give hashtag. It will select till where the data is there. That's it.
Hmm.
Shortcut.
Okay, we no need to give the endpoint.
Yeah, yes. Here I did no. Here what I do, just I've dragged it.
Uh-huh.
Here I did like this.
Okay.
You can also do like this, and you can also give hash, whatever you would like to do. So why do we use this method? Sometimes we need not to get all everything. I just want to know only these, how many are there. So we can use that. You understood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So this function also not work in the older version.
So you have MacBook.
No, I'm using Android only, Microsoft only.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So the filter function, if you don't, if you're not, if you couldn't see filter function, then your Excel is not updated.
Okay.
Mm. You can do purchase. It's like a monthly purchase will be there, or it will show
Mm.
like use trial version. Can you find
Okay.
anything like that
Hmm. No. Where
in
in
your
the
mail?
same Excel page?
In the Excel, you couldn't find anything like that.
No,
Okay,
no.
then create new account and try to purchase. Like there is a monthly options also there, but you have to go to the website directly and create account. It's a lot. It's taking a quite big process, but it's not a big process. Kind of, it will work if you do if you try to do it. There
Hmm.
is a monthly option like 628. You can put and recharge and try to do that. Or otherwise, download the Excel, try to update. It will ask like a try for 1 month trial. Okay. So you can click on that
Hmm.
1 month
That
trial.
one
It
trial.
will take you to the GPay. Okay. It will take you to the GPay. It will ask for the auto pay of 6,800. You don't have to pay the
Hmm.
6,800. Just click and give your password. It will take only 1 rupees from your account. For 30 days, it will be free. After 30 days, they will automatically deduct the 6,000 from your account. But before 30 days, okay, before 30 days at 28, for example, today is 5, no? By the next month, 5, before touching the 5, by next month, August, September. September 1st, you go and unsubscribe the subscription. Then they won't take
Hmm.
the money, okay?
Hmm.
It's not
But I
risky, it's not,
can
uh,
but I can use it one for only 1 month.
1 month, yes, 1 month. That's for free trial, than the free account. By the time you can learn it.
Hmm. Okay, so
Mm. If you're like,
subscription
uh,
no, Excel subscription is more than the course fee.
Excel, yeah, actually we are pro. And then that is for 1 year. 6,800 is for
Oh,
one
okay,
year.
okay, 1 year. Okay, okay, yeah, then it's
Not
fine.
for 1 month. Monthly is 600 something it will comes, and it has
Mm-hmm.
some everything.
Okay, okay.
Fine. Now we are going to see. Um, Minimum, max, large. That is like finding lowest, highest, and top five values like that. Okay. Um. Okay. The topic is going to be. It's going to be min, max, large, minimum fs, maximum fs. Okay. Why do we use this? Okay, I'll tell you. For example, okay, in a company, CEO walks in and asks, "What is the highest single order anyone placed on Amazon in India? What is the highest single order? And what is the lowest single order? And who are the top five highest value orders? Sorry, who are our customer who had top five highest value orders? Which category has most expensive single order? You got the question. So for all these questions, the answer we're going to answer by this topic: min, max, lot, minimum FS, and maximum FS. Right? Okay. Let's start with this. Okay. Highest order. So we're going to find what is the highest order. We got it. We got highest order. Very easy. Just give max formula. Max, max in the which table? Amazon table, right?
Mhm.
Amazon table. And from where you will find the highest order. Just go and click from the amount column, right? There only you will find the amount. There only then the numbers only you will decide which is highest and lowest. So click, you will find this is the your highest order. This is the formula method. What is the manual method? Manual method is there. Go to the amount. Yeah, amount is here. Just click on here. Start by largest to smallest. Here. Can you see? To double check.
Mhm.
5584. Now you can see, right? So this is manual method by clicking it and number filters. Number filters ask less than or more than, greater than or equal to. You can give like this, right? Okay. So this is the formula method, max. What is the same? Lowest orders. Same give. What is the next? Minimum, right? The next function we are saying max and minimum, no? Min. Minimum of what? From Amazon table. From the Amazon table. From the amount column. Oh God. So this is the lowest order. Zero is there. Okay. Lowest order. And if I want to find average, what is it? Average. Highest to lowest. And let's see. Let's find average also. Amazon. From the amount. No. So we are finding the overall average using average formula. Right? Okay. These are the min, max, average. So what is the large function works for? Okay, this is the minimum we are finding. What is the highest, lowest? What is the large function used for? Okay, if you want to find the top five values, how will you find the top five values? Sorry, top five It means in like highest to largest, right? Where is amount? From here. So for top five of largest to highest. So if I sort it largest to highest, manual method. Here you can
Here
see
you can see
the top five. One, two, three, four, and five. These are the top five orders, right? Okay.
Hmm.
In formula, how can we see that? If at all, that is like manual method, but I want it in a separate sheet and it should be dynamic. Okay. What I can use? I can use the large. Okay. I can use what? Large formula, large function. Okay. Large function. I'm going to say Amazon. Yeah. Look at it carefully. Amazon amount. Okay. This is usually we won't use this formula often, but you just learn it. What I'm saying. Wait. Okay. I'm giving one here. Okay. That is the large means the large. Okay. It will give you the gives you the nth highest value. That is like whatever number you're going to get. So it will give you the max. Okay. What is it? Max will give you the only one highest value. Okay. So what if like I
Hmm.
want the second highest value? Oh God. Okay. See, in the max function, it has given in the highest order we saw in the max function, we got the single highest value. That is the topest value. If I want to see the second highest value, here if you give two, that is you want to see the second highest value, give two, it will show the second highest value. Can you understand? For example, okay, let's see, one, two, three, four, five. Let me keep it here. Okay. If I want to see the first highest order, it will show like this. Okay. Next, let me copy this formula. Okay. Let me change it to two. Okay. It will show the second highest order. By using three. Okay, three. It will show the third highest order. Let me paste the formula. Same formula. We're changing the nth, fourth highest order, and then fifth. So it's showing the fifth highest order. This is we you have to manually put one, two, three, four, five in that way. Okay, so there is no other way. If you want to find the first highest order, second highest order, they are asking particularly what is the 18th highest order. Then you can use this formula. Can you understand? In one way, you can use it like this. Okay. In another way, you can link the one in another cell where you can link the numbers in another cell. You can also select in that way. You can do it. Now, if I drag it down, it will show the different values. Sudhir, are you there? Fine. I don't know whether you guys are there. This is manually I have to type. First, initial I have typed every value manually, right? Every value in manual, one, two, three, four. So how can I solve this? Okay, how can I solve this instead of typing manually? So you can also do it in this way. That is, I've pasted the formula. Instead of putting one, okay, instead of putting giving one here, I'm going to select the one from another cell. Okay, one from the another cell. Now I'll get the same value. Now if I drag, it will show the top five. What is happening? Automatically, it's taking B8, B9. What is in B8? B8 in 2. In B9, it has a 3. So it automatically takes the value of B and 3. Here, I have to put type manually. When I give the numbers 1, 2, 3 in another cell, and after linking that cell in my formula, if I drag it down, it will show the same value, but need not to type the value manually. You got it? Hello.
Yeah, ma'am, I got it.
Are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. So this is kind of you have to type it one by one. Okay, I'll finish it quickly. I'll also show you how you can make it fast. So you can make it fast also. Before going into that, let's finish the. We have seen what is the large function is used for. We'll see the minimum if and maximum if is used for what. Okay, minimum if means itself. I've told you that's a condition, right? If means it's a condition. Yes means the more conditions. That's it. Okay. If means more condition. How we are going to use that? Let's see that. Okay. The minimum will give you the lowest of overall, right? Minimum if is will give you the lowest for specific group. You can understand? Can you understand? So it will give you for the with a condition. So what is the cheapest order in set category? What is the cheapest order in kurtas category? So what is the minimum amount from Tamil Nadu? So for these kind of question, minimum if will answer these questions. Okay. So let's see how it's going to work, right? So the question here is, let's find out the minimum amount of the category, minimum amount of the set category, or like, yeah, we'll take from set category itself. Right. Okay, these are our categories, right? These are our categories. Okay. Okay, fine. So now look at here. Let's use the minimum if function. Okay, minimum if s. So minimum if s. Okay. So minimum, we are going to find the minimum amount in the condition. I'm going to check minimum in the Amazon table. I'm going to amount. Okay, minimum amount I want. Minimum amount of what? In the kurta set. So I'm going into the category. So how can I go into the category? By clicking the table. Just click on the category. And then in that category, I want kurta set. Okay, I want kurta set. So it is zero. The minimum amount of in the kurta set is going to be zero. Is that clear? So let me drag it down. So in everything, the minimum amount is 0, 0. Only in dupattas, it is what? 305. So the it is works with a condition. Can you get it?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. Now we are going to add two more conditions here. Let me add. Okay. Sets. Okay. And from here, category, we got it 24. From here, I'm going to take another range, Amazon. From there, I want from the state Maharashtra. Okay. From the state Maharashtra. I'm going to type it. Let me type it. So what I'm trying to say here? I want the minimum amount from the category of the Western. Okay, Western dress. Okay, and from Maharashtra. You got it? These are all the condition I'm giving. Let's see how it's gonna work. So that is also zero. It's showing zero. Let's see. Um, what are the states are there? Oh, no battery. Okay. Let's try Tamil Nadu here. Maharashtra, it's showing zero. Let's try Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. That's also zero. Okay, let's drag it down. Let's see how. So the minimum amount, the minimum sales of the each state. That is like you can also try it for other state. What are the other state? Like we'll try Assam or like I think we can also try Mumbai. Mumbai is here. How many? Okay, so minimum amount of all the state is going to be zero, right? And then same, the maximum if is also going to work in the same way. Let's try maximum if. I'll give maximum if. That's what it is. The same formula. The maximum if is of Tamil Nadu in the set category kurtas. This is the values. And look at the other values too. Okay. So Duppata is showing zero. That is like Tamil Nadu haven't placed any orders in Duppatas. Okay, have you understood?
Yeah,
Understood?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
the last part, only one part, we'll finish it off. Okay. Okay, we have seen large, large is taking one by well, the value by like one by one. That is like what is the top is to one, top is to two, top is three. Right? You have to give one, two, three like that. How can we sort it out? Like in which ways you can bring it very fast? Okay, the functions are used to make it very fast. No, so how can I make it fast? I want the top five orders. Okay, I want the top five orders, five highest order. Okay, top five highest order. Right, I'm going to use what? Sort and take method. What is the method? Sort plus take method, take function. Using this, I'm going to take the take what? The top five or top 10, anything. Okay, so here I have fixed the top five. Okay, you can fix anything. Okay, right, a top n values. Okay, top n value. Here the n is going to be, I'm going to fix it as 5. Then the category, okay, the category is going to be set. I'm going to use the set, fine. And then the state is going to be from Tamil Nadu, whatever. Okay, let's see how it's going to work. Okay, this is how it's going to work. Okay, so I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to sort it out. Sort, okay, sort from Amazon table. I'm going to take the amount. Okay, I need top five, right? That is descending, that is largest to highest, right? I'm going to use double comma and -1. Okay, so it's going to be in the form of ascending and descending. Yeah, descending is largest to highest. So let me close it. So what will I get? I'll get all the values from highest to lowest, right? Now I'm going to use, after sorting, I'm going to use take function. I need only the top 5 rows, no? I'm going to use take function, okay? Take only 5. No, I want only 5. Just give a comma here. Just put it 5 here and close it. I'm telling first I'm sorted out the section and I'm asking you to take only the 5. So it has given me the 5, what? 5 top 5 values. Okay, top 5 values of sorted things. Can you see that both are same values?
Yeah, ma'am. Both are same values.
Yes. Hmm. Okay, now I've taught you the large minimum if large if எல்லாமே ஓகேவா. Now you yourself try to write a formula that is using take and sort, and bringing top 5 values of, okay, from the set kurtas, from the category using the condition. I wanted the in the set kurtas and from Tamil Nadu. How we did here, where we have done that here, no? From kurta set or from the category, okay, and from the set Tamil Nadu, like that. Try to sort it out. How will you sort it out? This. Here you have to use filter, obviously. Instead of giving multiple conditions, you can use filter here. Filter and you can do it. Okay, I'll teach you one more also. That is choose calls. In the last class we have seen, right? We have got the top top five values, right? Okay, choose calls. What is that? Choose calls is going to choose the columns from the data. Now choose calls. I'm using the take. That is, I'm going to say some values alone. For that, I'm going to sort it out. Sort it out from Amazon. Okay. In one way, Amazon, you can give square bracket, select the table. Select the column. That is, select the column by using amount, right? By using amount. Another method, you can give comma and just tell it that is the column number. Which column number? So amount is in 15th column number. I can also give in that way. And -1, I'm just saying descending order and closing it. I'm going to say top 10 values. Okay. I'm asking you to take the top 10 values. Now I'm closing it. Now I want a certain column values only. So certain columns means I'm taking 1, 9. Okay. I don't want all the columns. Okay. 1, 9. I need 15. Okay. I need 16 and I need 17, right? Only these are the columns I want. So I've selected it. Now let's click on it. Now you can see. Can you see it here?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
So
fine.
how can I bring the headers for this? Okay, how can I bring the headers for this? I need headers also, no? So let me check. Choose columns. Choose calls. Take Amazon, the table, and I want hashtag headers. So headers, I have to tell what are the headers I want. So since I've selected one, 9th column, and then 15th column, and then 16, and then 17th column. No, now let me click on that. So I've got the headers also. These are my headers. These are my values. So I've taken the top 10. The top 10 of the top 10 values amount. So I've given the or I have given the formula in that way. No. So first of all, I'm taking the Amazon data and 15th column sort. I'm asking you to sort the 15th column from the descending order and take the 10 by using the take function. You take the 10 values and then selecting the columns. Okay. Now, somehow, I think this is clear. Now, we're going to add filter here. That is, we are going to put filter inside. That is, we are going to give a lot of conditions here. Let's see how it's going to work, giving conditions. Okay, here we have choose calls, take here, sort here. Okay, now I'm going to give filter here. That is a condition, no? So I'm going to use filter function, filter, Amazon from there. Amazon, first of all, next from the Amazon table, I'm going to use again Amazon. I'm going to use category. Very simple. So we are taking first. I'm taking the Amazon table name. Filter la table name should come. Then from the table, go to the category. I'm telling go to the category. Okay, go to the category. I'm just want to select set to know. I'm going to select this. Okay, A22 directly from the link, and then close the bracket. Close the bracket. Just give a comma, and then so I have to say, okay, an Amazon table, I just sort it out from where it will ask for, from where I need to sort it out. Okay, so I'm going to give 15th column. and then give commas from ascending to descending, and then um, the top 10. Okay, the top 10 is given, the top 10 is given, and then choose calls. Now let's see how the formula is going to work. Can you see? The category is only from the set, and the top 10, the top 10 orders, and it's from different state. You can also try it for only for some state, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So so always nesting orders. Nesting for nesting there is an order. Okay, always build nesting step by step. Okay, first if a filter is coming means you have to write filter first. Can you see it in the order? First, the condition is should be filter. Filter should come first. That is testing it. How it will work. How the nesting process, how it will work. It will check the inside. It will check inside. Okay, the filter is there. It will go and it will go to the Amazon table. And in the table, it will go to the category. In the category, it will go and check the what set. That is how we'll go. No, how you will do it when manually you think I'm asking the question, this is your data. If you don't know any formula, you have to do it manually. How will you do if you have few data? That is 100 columns you have. How will you do it manually? I'm asking you to take the that is set. Go to the set category, and I want what do we get? What do we got the result? So first of all, I'm telling the question is going to be from the set category. I want the top the five value order, top five value order, and I want these columns. I want these columns. This is the question. You just analyze the question. Okay, if the question, the interviewer in the interview, they will ask a question like this. Just analyze the question. First, what they've asked. If manually, if I want to do that, how will I do it in small data? First of all, what we will do? You just think and tell me. We'll go and check the categories column. First, we will take the kurta. So for example, set only we are working. No set. Okay, set only we are working. We'll take first set part alone. We'll go to the category. We'll go to the sets. What are the sets here? We'll go and see the sets. Can you understand? This is how we'll do manually. No, we'll go to the sets. Okay, and we'll select set. From there, what is the question is asking? Top five. They're asking top five. Here I will do a top five means I have to put it in an order. That is in a highest or lowest. No, so I'll put it in an order. No, right? So that is why. Oh, this is not numbers. Okay. So I have to put it in order. So that where is the numbers? I should put it in order. Now I got all the sets only. Now I'll go to the amount. Where is the amount? Here, right? I'll go to the this page and I'll make it large to short, large to small. Now I got it. What they are asking, the top five. I'll take this top five value from the set. Okay, top five value. I'm taking it. No, I'm taking it. This is how we have written the formula. First filter. What you have done, we went to the table, went to the category, we filtered it out. What the set alone. Next, we went to the amount section, and we have went to the amount section. We have sorted out from large to small. Next, we have taken the top 10 and then we are choosing the columns. You understood? Sudhir, you have understood?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the step. So first of all, whenever they give the question, they're asking in the data and they are giving the question in the large data set. Don't look at your large data set. How you will do it manually if you have 10 columns, 10 rows. How will you do it manually? Think from the basic. In schools, we'll do the puzzles when they will put for example, the animal elephant is there. They will the puzzle will be there. You have to connect to each part, and you will bring the elephant. How will you do it? You will go by step. So first, let us connect the trunk, the tail. So we'll slowly will connect. No, like that. You just think. For example, in attendance, we do that in schools and colleges. We are crossing this. So, for example, The teacher is in school days. If teacher is asking, Kana, you go and take the top five ranked students from the class things. What will you do? For example, they are giving the answer sheets. Answer sheets கொடுக்குறாங்க. They are giving answer sheets and they are asking random answer sheets are there. 40 students, random answer sheets will be there. Take the top five means what will you do? Top five. Top five. First of all, you will arrange it in the proper 1, 2, 3, 4 in a proper numbers. No, first of all, you will segregate 1 to 10 values in one section, 10, 11 to 20 in one section, 30 to 40 in one section. Then you will get 10 things. Okay, and from the 10 things, you will go to the each one row, each one section. You will arrange it 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I will arrange it. Then you will club it everything. Right? And then you will take the for top 10. This is how we'll do, no? So
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
have to
It will.
think in
It
that
will.
way. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you have to
Yeah, it will
think in
take
that way.
almost.
How will I do it manually? Just think, how will I, if I have this table, how will I, for this question, how will I do it manually? They are asking to find out the top five values. Top five values. Okay, very good. Top five values. From where? From the kurta set. From you take kurta sets, okay, from kurtas. From kurtas, top five value I want, and they're asking only these are the columns. To select columns, we are going to use choose calls. Write it down. To take top five, you are going to take the words of in our pronunciation itself, the sentence itself, we are saying take. So we are going to use a take function. Okay, right. And then what are we going to do? We are going to take the top five. Top five means it has arranged in some order. That is A to Z or Z to A or large to small or small to large, right? So we have to going to sort it out. Then sort it means we are going to use a sort function. Then we are going to take only the kurta set. That is we are filtering out. Then we are using the filter function. But how we are going to arrange the function? So when we how we are going to arrange the function? There is a step. Where will you go? We'll go to the data set. Data set. First of all, where will you check? We'll go to the category, right? We'll go to the category. From there, you will first of all get the sets, whatever the kurtas or sets or dupattas. First, you take that. Then from there, you will find out the what is the top and the lowest value. Right? You think in that way, then it's going to be very easy for you. So tomorrow we'll see next 6 topics are there. Well, tomorrow will be like not tomorrow. Friday we'll be doing like another three, and this Saturday we'll be doing another three. We'll be finishing out with what is essential formulas and these things. Okay, fine.
Yeah, ma'am. Fine.
I'll meet you on Friday. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.